Okay, got done cleaning, wire brushing, and using a pick and a screwdriver and a hand wire brush to clean up the lettering. Gotta dig in and get all the crud that was built inside those letters. That's what she looks like now. 10-inch. So this is a Buffalo Forge Camelback 10-inch drill press, that is. It's probably a 1920 to 30 circa, because my model has a direct drive motor, so the drive pulley is directly mounted to the motor and drives the driven shaft or driven pulley with a flat belt. I think the models before that, it was either driven by a system belt or a motor that's mounted remotely from the base. So anyway, getting there. The base is done. I gotta polish up the column part where the drill table in the base mounts to. So yeah, there are inserts. Looks like brass inserts for bearings. There and there. I do believe that one has it also. Maybe not.